Swati, we'll go with you. Swati, are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
What are the DDL commands, Swati? We'll go basics, nothing else. DDL commands. Uh, DDL means like a database manipulations, like a create a table, then alter,
Alter.
then drop. Correct? No?
Mm.
These are the DDL commands. Okay, now we'll go to Ashok. Ashok. Ashok, Unnava? Yeah. Okay, Divya. Next, Divya. Hello, Divya. Next, Uma Devi. Uma Devi.
Yeah, sir.
DML commands. DML commands. Data manipulation. How you can insert the data into table? By using the insert command. Correct? No?
Yeah, sir.
Then you can update.
Update,
Then you can
delete.
delete. So this comes under the data manipulation. So, okay. So DDL are the create, alter, drop. May one more is the truncate also. Truncate also. Okay. So coming to DML, insert, update, delete. Okay. Na? TCL. What is the TCL? Next. TCL. Anybody? TCL. Roll back.
Commit,
Commit.
roll back,
Roll back and
save point.
save point. And commit. Correct? Na? So these are the commands comes under the TCL. So I will give small logic, then we'll come to know. I opened a session. I opened SQL developer. The first statement is the create a table. There carefully create a table. Then second statement is the insert into create a table, assume a department. Then insert into department table two records. I inserted two records. Then third statement create table EMP. The third statement is the rollback. Rollback. So I opened SQL developer and I executed four statements. First one is the create a table department. The second statement is the insert into department table two records. The third statement is the again create the employee table. ఒక కొత్త టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను లైక్ DDL కమాండ్ అట్ లాస్ట్ ఐ రిలీజ్డ్ రోల్ బ్యాక్ ఓకేనా సో నౌ టెల్ మీ how many records exist in the sorry again I will go to little insert four records in EMP table. Insert four records in at last fifth statement is the rollback. Now tell me how many records should save in the employee table.
No records, sir.
Nothing is there.
That's a perfect. Okay, na super. Yeah. Okay, no records in the employee table because it will roll back the data. What about department table? How many records in the department table?
Two records.
Why why two records? I given rollback.
Commit command not used, sir.
No, I didn't use commit command. At last, in that session, I used rollback. The data will save in the department table or not? Super. Yes, yes. DDL commands are the auto commit. What is the meaning of the auto commit? Yes. No need to give the explicit commit. Internally, the Oracle will release the commit command, auto save. You can call it as the auto save. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు మీకు నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఉంది నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఉంది అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టూ విచ్ వన్ ఇస్ ఆటో సేవ్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఆర్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ మీకు నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అనేది ఆటో సేవ్ కాదు మీకు ఓన్లీ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ లో ఆటో సేవ్ అయిపోతుంది ఎస్ ఓకేనా లైక్ దట్ ఇయర్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ రిలీజ్ ద DDL కమాండ్ సో బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఆర్ఎక్యూ విల్ రిలీజ్ ద కమిట్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ That means whatever the DML operations done till that point automatically will save the data. Okay. So this is the common interview questions for Oracle developers. Okay. So they will okay na enter these many statements. Then finally what will happen? You have to say before that means okay na uh, giving the detailed comments automatically the Oracle will save those records. It won't roll back. Then after the detailed comments, then if you give any rollback, the data will lose automatically. Okay, na? So this is the okay na some logical thinking. Yeah. Okay, we are good. Next we'll go to mm, Keshav. Keshav ఉన్నాడా? Keshav. Keshav. Okay. Keshav, are you there? అన్న ఓకే 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 అన్న గ్రీష్మంత్ 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 ఏ మాట్లా ఓకే హరి హరి okay so Hari in the department table we have the values are the 10 comma 20 comma 30 correct na and 40 in the employee table you could see the employees of only 10 20 30 no employees okay na you could find in the employee table for party department 40కి సంబంధించి ఎటువంటి ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉండరు సో నౌ మై రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్స్ ద డిపార్ట్ నెంబర్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్ ఓకే దెన్ హౌ కెన్ ఇట్ ఈక్వల్ సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ నాట్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఎంప్లాయీలో ఉండడు అసలు వాడు ఎంప్లాయీలో అటువంటి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ ఉండదు సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్
Department, DPT.
డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఓకేనా వేర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఇస్ దట్ రైట్ నాట్ ఇన్ select DEPT number from EMP.
EMP.
Okay. So this will this sequence statement will let you know about which are the departments not assigned to any employee. Not in.
Not in.
Or in operators. Okay. You can use it. Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. Next. Mamata. Mamata, are you there? Okay. Nagini. 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 I'm responding out and
Hello.
Nagini. Okay. Now I will go to one more.
Okay, sir.
So I'm executing one statement, Nagini. So in this, I'm in the 2025 year. If I execute that statement, it will give the 01 John 2025. Suppose if I execute the same statement in the next year, at any time in that next year, it has to give the 01 Jan 2026. That means I need to trim it to the current year starting date. Are you guys getting my requirement? So whenever I'm in the 2025 year, exactly I don't know on what date. So my statement will give the starting date of the year. That means 01 Jan 2025. If I execute the same statement in the next year, that has to give dynamically 01 Jan 2026. If I execute in the maybe by past 2024, it has to give the 01 Jan 2024. Tell me the sequel statement.
Next.
Select
Select also
sys date kada sys date from DL. What is outcome?
today date.
Today date. That's right. But I don't want today date. I want current year start date.
Yes.
Sorry? I'm giving you I'm helping you guys give the trunk TRU trunk command, it will trim trunk of, give the Listen here carefully. It will trim it to the current month start date. What is the current month start date? 01 May 2025. Okay. Suppose, okay, na, same statement. I want to get it from the current year start date. Then instead of the month trim, what I have to do?
Year.
Year. Okay. Now once I specify the YY with the help of the trunk operator, then this will trim it to the current year start date. Like now I will get a 01 Jan 2025 dynamically. So if I execute the same command the next year, you will get it a 01 Jan 2026. So now my requirement here, a small change. I want current year start date and current year end date. Now tell me what changes I need to write it. So this command will give the current underscore year underscore date, or maybe we can put it as a start date. Now I want one more column, current year end date. Tell me what I have to do.
Current underscore.
I'm putting like that plus 365. Is that right?
Okay. Okay.
Is that work for me or not?
Mm, Yes.
So sometimes
Some.
leap year is there.
Ah.
Leap year has a 366, then it will fail. Okay? Then you have to write it dynamically. So we have date functions are there, like a add underscore months. Do you know that? Add underscore months, next underscore day, days, months underscore between.
Mm,
Now tell me which one I need to add it. Add underscore months, next day, months underscore between. Can I add underscore months?
mm, mm.
Why? Why I can't add underscore months?
Second.
Yeah, we can use it. No restrictions. Yeah, you can use it. So it is add underscore months, open the bracket. Then how many months I need to add? 12 months.
12.
We will get the right output, no problem. Then you can say current year, current underscore, sorry, spelling, current underscore year underscore end date. Correct, na?
End date.
Current date. Okay, na? But here the one problem is, ah, okay, yes. Yeah, correct. Why, yeah. Okay. So one thing here, current year start date means I will get a 01 Jan 2025. So if I add 12 months, what will happen? It will go to 01 Jan 2026. But my requirement here, I don't want to display the next year start date. I want to display the current year end date.
End date.
Small adjustment is required. What is the adjustment? Minus 1. Is that right?
Yes.
For the 01 Jan 2025, if I add 12 months, that means it will go to next year start date.
Mm.
Then I don't want next year start date before one day. So small adjustment here. So you won't see any problem. It's called as a dynamic. Don't say hard code. It is a dynamic code. Okay. Na? So you have to adjust to before one day. That put a -1. Then you will get the current year end date. Okay. Example, you developed one report. So the client want to see the current year start date and current year end date transactions. They don't want to send the manually. Then you can use these statements automatically. Okay, na? The user will get the right output. Okay, na? At that time, we'll use these statements. Yeah. Okay, na? Current year start date. Suppose the user want to see the current month transactions. Then how you can write a query? Current month start transactions. Instead of the YYY, here also but instead of the 12 months, we have to add only 1 month.
Mm.
So it's a 28 days or 30 days dynamically. Add underscore months will take care internally. మనం చేయని అవసరం లేదు. So that will take care to adjust the dates. Maybe in February 28 days or 31 days or 30 days. So this will take care dynamically. Add underscore months. Okay. Na? Just add 1 month, then adjust 1 day. Then it will go to previous month start date. Current month start date and the current month end date. Like that. Okay. So you will get the data accordingly. Okay. So these are the statements are frequently will use in the development. So you guys here, I think you have a lot of time is there. So please brush up your SQL and PL SQL. Once you get offer, బాగా టెన్షన్లో ఉంటారు మీరు చదివినది ఎక్కదు ప్లీజ్ యార్ ఓకేనా నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ ఓకే మేబీ నెక్స్ట్ 30 days or 40 days lot of time is there. So please brush up all your functions procedure. Functions means like a 2 day to 2 caru seal aggregate functions. Then okay na single row functions, then exist operator or not exist, then union like a set operators, union all intersect minus. Please brush up all the commands whatever the commands given by the oracle. సో తర్వాత మీకు జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీరు ఫోకస్
Recording in
చేయలేరు ఎందుకంటే ఆ
progress.
టెన్షన్లో ఉంటారు ఆ మీటింగ్స్. ప్లీజ్ ఓకేనా గో త్రూ ఓకేనా వాట్ ఎవర్ ద
Recording
టాపిక్స్ కవర్డ్
stopped.
బై ద నాగరాజు. ఇవన్నీ మీకు కవర్ చేశాడు కదా నాగరాజు, ఇవన్నీ చెప్పాడు కదా మీకు డేట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇవన్నీ.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ప్లీజ్ సార్ ఒక్కసారి బ్రషప్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే సో టుమారో విల్ గో టు ఒరాకిల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ like a ERP, the modules, the Oracle applications, the 3-tier architecture, then what are the ticketing tools we'll use in the real time, how to handle the bugs like tickets, then ServiceNow, Jira, tomorrow we'll discuss, and methodologies also. We have two methodologies. One is the Agile, the second one is the waterfall methodology. For most of the development, we'll use the waterfall. For support projects, they will go with the Agile methodology. I will explain both here. Okay, we'll see what are the difference also. Okay, so today we'll wind up the session. So any queries still?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are good. So we'll connect it tomorrow. So I will share the document here daily. Please go through that. And if you have time, please okay, look into the SQL and PL SQL commands or maybe the keywords. Okay, bye.
Okay.